Large datasets are the norm in modern computing. So why are we still using single-threaded file commands like it's the 80s? If you're managing millions of files with outdated tools, it's time to upgrade. Pure Storage's RapidFile Toolkit is built for speed, up to 20 times faster than traditional Linux commands. Stick around and we'll show you how it works. Managing large-scale file systems with standard Linux commands is like trying to shovel snow with a teaspoon. You'll eventually get the job done, but it's going to be painfully slow. Today's high-performance environments, whether it's AI, ML, EDA, DevOps, or analytics, demand something faster, something built for modern workloads. Enter RapidFile Toolkit, a set of high-performance tools designed to supercharge your file operations, built from the ground up to leverage Pure Storage FlashBlade's massively parallel architecture. This toolkit allows you to copy, move, list, and analyze files up to 20 times faster than the traditional Linux utilities. And the best part? It's a drop-in replacement for commands you already use. No learning curve, no complex scripting, just immediate performance gains. Let's take a look at what it can do. Using the list command, the Unix can list files quickly. This is a basic command process. With the FlashBlade's file system, you can enumerate the file structure and capacity. This file system contains hundreds of files. You can see here the data science folder, subdirectories, including thousands of files. Using the standard toolkit installation, we use RPM and install the toolkit. We can mount the data science directory with a set of files. Note we are using nconnect equals 16 and NFS version 3. On the right-hand side, you can see what metric is in the particular workload it creates, and there's a very small block size, not a whole lot of throughput. This process is very metadata specific. It took the platform 29 seconds to do a simple word count. Now we unmount and mount in between each of these tests so that you can see that we're not caching any information. So now if we do this ls with a PLS, you can see the difference. You can see it's using a lot more resources now. And if you take a look at the difference, here you're seeing just a simple 3-second difference with the PLS. A difference between 29 and 3 seconds is significant. Find in particular is a very heavy latency process because it does a tree walk. Tree walks usually take a lot of time. As you saw with pfind, we're able to reduce the time it actually took us to do a tree walk to find the files that were required. That's the power of RapidFile Toolkit, a simple yet game-changing upgrade for managing large-scale file systems. Whether you're processing millions of files in AI and analytics, working with massive data sets, or just tired of waiting on slow operations, this toolkit helps you move faster and get more work done. If you're a FlashBlade customer, give it a try. You'll be amazed at how much faster routine tasks and automation will run. And if you want to see more ways Pure Storage is helping organizations work smarter, check out Pure 360, your hub for quick overviews, expert walkthroughs, and interactive demos, all designed to simplify your infrastructure and help you achieve more.